Dakota-Raé and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm unboxing and reviewing my first ever pair of new rock boots. I have been waiting for so long for these to come that I even forgot that they were on the way, and it wasn't until I got like a shipping confirmation email that I was like, oh yeah, Christ, I forgot I ordered them. I ordered these back, well, I said I ordered them, my partner ordered them as a birthday gift back in March the 28th, and I didn't know that all of their shoes were made to order and that it would take up to 90 days for them to be made and shipped out. So this was a completely different experience for me, but nonetheless I'm very excited. So I have wanted this style of boot for over 6 months now, and everywhere that does this style of boot sells out in my size. Just really frustrated because you know when you get an idea in your head and you're like, I can't go about life without that, because it's all I can think about. Go to sleep, I think about it. Wake up, I think about it. Like I was like, these shoes will elevate all the looks. It's a vibe. I want these. It would I mean, it's just a pair of shoes really, but I was just really excited about them, and I have been on the hunt for this style for ages. So my partner was like, what do you want for your birthday? And I was like, well, ideally I'd like this style of shoe, but nowhere seems to do them. And he was like, why don't you just get a pair of New Rocks? And I was like, I always thought New Rocks were those like really chunky like goth boots, and that's not really my vibe. I can appreciate them, it's not my vibe though. I wanted something that was a bit more like subtle and low-key but still kind of cute, and I looked on the website and lo and behold, they had the style of shoe that I was looking for. So I was like, oh my god, this is it, this is the one. And he's like, I'll get them for you. And I was like, okay. So he bought them and stuff, and that was back on the 28th of March, and I knew they weren't going to get here before my birthday because my birthday was in April, and I was like, it won't get here in time, and that's fine, I will deal with that. I didn't realise at the time that it could take up to 90 days, like that's their statement on their website. And for a while I was like, have we been scammed? Is this the right website? And he was like, no, this is just like the typical process in which they do. And I was like, okay, well, this is new to me, because the only shoes that I've ever worn are like Converse, Vans, Doc Martens, or like I've just bought shoes from a shop. I've never really like had them sent off to like make them custom. I'm in between sizes. I'm like a 4.5, 5, so I was really nervous about ordering these because I didn't really know what size to get. A lot of people were saying that they ran small, so I was like, cool, well I'll go for a 5 then, which I think is what I ordered. So please, shoe gods, let them fit me, because if not I'll be really upset, and I don't know what the return situation is, so let's hope and pray. Anyways, I've rambled on too much. You want to see the shoes, I want to see the shoes and see if they fit. So this arrived this morning. It is the 16th of June. So we ordered them on the 28th of March, and then they shipped them out on the 11th of June. I honestly thought it was going to take longer with this whole coronavirus situation. I was like, I'm not going to get them till this time next year. And it's fine, because it's not really like, it's not an essential. And honestly, I forgot about them for a while until I got the confirmation email on the 11th of June. And then obviously today's the 16th of June that I'm filming this, and they arrived this morning, and I was like, whoa. Because I'm pretty sure it was shipping out from Spain. So I was like, wow, that got here really quick. Anyways, that's all the information I have on it. These were 189 euros and 169 pounds 84 pence in British pounds. So how do I get into this? Wow, I never keep the boxes just because I'm a minimalist and I like to just throw all the boxes away, but this is kind of cute. Please fit. I don't want to have to send them back. I'm just having the worst luck with shoes lately, because I just recently got some shoes off Depop. They were like little Harley Davidson boots, and they were like a full size too big, and I was absolutely devastated. So if you want them, I will leave my Depop link down below and you can please buy them off me. So it comes in some Europe paper. Oh my god, they look big. Ah, I don't know if they're gonna fit. Ah, they are beautiful. Oh my god. Wow. Non-slip, well thank god, because, well, I mean, not that I need it because all the floors in the pubs are sticky, so I'm not sliding anywhere, but they feel well made. I like the little logo thing that they've got there, that's cute. And obviously they've got a zip because I can't deal with having to pull shoes over my feet. Yeah, they seem well made. Let's look at the other one. Wow. Oh, the leather feels really soft as well. Wow. They do look like, I really wanted like a really chunky, firm, slight heeled boot. That's what the vibe was. Anyways, I'm worried because these look big. Please, please, shoe gods, please let these fix. I don't want to have to send these back. So they got, oh, what's this? Oh, that's cute. Okay, it comes with a little key ring. That's cute. That's very cute. My vibe. Just take the little inserts out. I think that's it. Ooh. Ooh. The inside of the shoe, the sole looks like it'd be nice and comfy and squishy. What did I do? Okay, cool. Just got like a little flyer thing with some designs on. I really wanted, actually, I quite liked the Western style boots that they did as well, but I was like, just get one pair because I don't want to order two and both of the size and be off. So right, moment of truth, moment of truth. I don't know how I'm gonna film this. I'll do a cutaway. You'll see in the cutaway. Okay. Please, please. Oh, I'm so nervous. These look huge. Yeah, I have bad vibes. I don't think these are gonna fit. Oh man. So after a moment of sadness, come to the decision, I'm gonna have to take them back and request a new pair because they don't fit. They're like a whole size too big. So I ordered them in a 38, a European 38, because that's the sizes that they run on the website, and that is a UK 5, which that's normally the shoe size I would go for, or a 4.5. But most places don't do half sizes. So when I'm looking on the website and I go back on the listing of these shoes, they don't run in half sizes, unfortunately, so I am going to have to go a full size down. But in this case, judging from the size of these shoes, I think a whole size would be best. So I'm going to order the 37. And they're on sale at the moment, so I don't know if that means that they're going to give us a full refund and then I order another pair of shoes at the discounted rate or the same rate. I'm really not sure. I am going to work out how to do the refunds policy and see if I can send them back and get them exchanged for 37. It does have this little system on the website where it says that like certain items are in stock, certain items are last item, and then some items are custom made. I'm assuming my situation, maybe they were custom made and that's why it took so long to come, but the 37 is in stock, so hopefully by that it means that they will just be sent out straight away So instead of uploading this video on the date that I received the first pair, I'm going to go through the process of getting a refund or a return and exchange them for the small size, and then I will come back with longer hair and hopefully a pair of shoes actually fits. This is by no means on their fault. This is entirely my fault. I do have problems with finding shoes that fit me because, like I said, I'm more of a 4.5 than a 5, but usually because places don't do half sizes, I size up. So in this instant, I would say size down. Don't listen to the reviews that tell you that they run small, because they don't. They are potentially true size, if not bigger. And I think because the nature of the boots, they are quite chunky, I think you've got to take into consideration that they are probably going to be a bigger fit too. But I'm not too disheartened. Hopefully the returns policy isn't too exhausting. Hopefully I can get them returned and a new size soon. So I will come back and film the rest of the portion of the video when hopefully I have a new pair in my hands with a better outcome.
3 weeks later.
So back again, attempt number 2. Hopefully better this time. It's my own fault. I think I've been living a lie. I think I've been walking around thinking I'm a size 5. I'm not. I think I'm a size 4, size 4.5. One thing I will mention is they do have like a really informative size graph on the website, which has like every single sort of different size and conversion, and even one that's like in measurements. So really I should have just measured my actual feet and went with that. But I was looking on forums and seeing what like customers had said was their best fit and like what the usual fit of the shoes were, and a lot of people were saying that they ran small, so I kind of ran with that, hoping that they would fit. But it doesn't matter, we're here now. So the previous clips that you've seen was probably 2-3 weeks ago. I got in touch with New Rock and I said to them, hey, really sorry, my own fault, I've got the sizing wrong, I need to send these back and get a different size. And they sent me a link, I followed the link, and there was this charge which was like €2 or something, and postage on top of that, which equated to €25.31, £23.78 in UK money. So £23.78 is what I paid. That included sort of like a subcharge of changing the size and postage of the new items. So I printed off the labels that they sent me and I arranged a UPS pickup myself. And actually, funnily enough, I emailed them yesterday and I was like, hey, can you just confirm that you received the old pair of shoes, because I didn't really hear anything back. I didn't hear any confirmation that they even received the parcel from UPS, so I was a bit worried. But they emailed me and they're like, no, we've received the pair and we'll process your refund. And I was like, but I don't want a refund, I just want the new pair of shoes. So that's why I emailed them yesterday, and then this morning, I'm hoping this is the new pair. Yeah, so that's where we're up to now. I think the reason why this has come so quick as opposed to the first pair is because when I was on the website picking the new size, it said it was in stock, so maybe they already had these available, and the first pair had to be made to be shipped, if you know what I mean. So they're here now, hopefully, and I'm hoping they fit. I'm so excited. I have waited probably all in all like a third of a year for these shoes, and that's my fault. I've never ordered from them before, so I didn't really know what to expect. But here we go again. I think these are a slightly smaller box, could be wrong. But yeah, I got them in a 37, which is a size 4. They didn't have any half sizes in this style, but I feel pretty confident that they will fit because the previous pair was a size 5 and they were like a full size too big. So I'm still just as excited, I really am. Oh, I just love this style. Has honestly been such a friggin' like adventure. It's It's been quite hectic trying to get this style of shoe. Like I said in the previous clips, like I really wanted this shoe. There was a design on ASOS and then it sold out in my size and never returned into stock, and I was like patiently waiting for like 6 months. Nothing. They brought out a brown pair and I was like, not really kind of a brown pair kind of gal. I did do a try on clip of the previous pair, but I mean there's not really much point showing you a pair of shoes that doesn't really fit, so I hope. Let's pray. Let's fingers crossed. Oh wow, they are so much better. Yes! Adam next door is going to be like, can you be quiet please, I'm gaming. Oh, what is this? It's just like little advertisements of other shoe styles, which is cool. That's what we got in the other set. And they also sent me the keyring as well, because I was like, do I send it back with the keyring in? Like, will they send me a new one, or will they just be like, oh, she didn't want the keyring? This is fucking cute, so yes! Oh, yes, that is so much better. At least I know now, and I definitely will be buying from them again because the craftsmanship, honestly, I am living. Yes! Right, I'm going to do a little show on clip so you can see what they look like on, because I am living my best life. Yes! Thank you. That's it now, I'm not taking them off. I've got nowhere to go. Still kind of in lockdown. Pubs are opening, but it doesn't really seem like it's safe to go out yet, so it probably won't be until like this time next year that they actually see the light of day. But you know, I can feel cute dancing around my house in them. Apart from all the drama, which was totally on my end and an idiot for not measuring my feet properly. I don't know, maybe my feet have shrunk, who knows. Anyways, besides the point, I'm honestly so glad that I decided to get the New Rock version of this style of shoe. It's become like a really like statement sort of like 90s Brat style kind of goth boot, and I just wanted to get a pair of them. I'm glad I went with New Rock because honestly I feel like these are gonna last me a really long time, and they're so comfortable and sturdy now that I've got my right size. Oh, God, they're beautiful. I die. So yeah, I think that kind of brings this video to a close. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Comment down below, do you own any New Rocks? This is my first time. This is my new first pair. So very exciting. Yeah, if you want to see more from me, feel free to subscribe. But until then, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!